Good day, viewers, and you are welcome. How to solve these Olympiad radical simplifications, given that the fourth root of 56 minus 24 root 5. To solve this problem, we have the root of, we can write this thing as root 56 minus 24 root 5, then all raised to power of 1 over 2. So on getting this, we're going to deal with this one in the bracket first, and we let it to another letter, which is 56 minus 24 root 5. If this equals square root of m minus square root of n. So by taking the square of both sides, we have 56 minus 24 root 5 equals root m minus root n all square. Then here is 56 minus 24 root 5 equals, when we expand this one, what we are going to have is m plus n minus 2 root mn. So the next thing to do here is we try to do the comparisons. Here we have 24, here is 2. So since this one is attached to root, so we also have root here. Therefore, m plus n will be equals 56, and this will be equals this. Here we have m plus n equals 56. Call this one equation 1. So for the equation 2, we have minus 2 square root of mn equals minus 24 root 5. With this, if I take the square of both sides, or let's say I cancelled negative first, and I take the square of both sides, we have this as 2 root mn square equals 24 root 5 all square. So here 2 we take square, which is 4. We have 4, and here square we cancel square, which is mn equals, here we have 24 square multiplied by 5. And 24 square multiplied by 5, that gives 2880. And I will call this one equation 2. So the next thing is, we have 4mn equals 2880. And if you recall from, suppose I have m minus n square, this gives m plus n square minus 4mn. So when we try to expand this and we subtract this from this, we are going to get m minus n square. Therefore, we recall that m plus n equals 56, and we have 4mn, which is 2880. So we try to do the replacement here. Here is m plus n, m minus n square equals, so instead of m plus n, we change it to 56 square minus 2880. And when we take 56 square and we subtract this 2880 from it, what we are going to have is m minus n all square equals, so the whole of this becomes 256, and by taking the square root of both sides and we go with only positive side, so we have m minus n equals, here is going to be 16. So this equation looks nice, and we can pair it with m plus n equals 56. So we solve these two equations, and to get the value of m, so by adding this together, we have this cancelled, and here is 2m equals, when we add this, we have 72. So dividing both sides by 2, this cancelled, and m equals 2 in 72, that gives 36, which is for the value of m. And to get n, we recall from any of these equations. So if I take equation 1, which is m minus n equals 16, so substituting m here, we have n equals 36 minus 16, and we have n equals 20. So m equals 36, n equals 20. Then we recall from above, where we have the root of 56 minus 24 root 5, which equals square root of m minus square root of n. So by plugging the value of m and n, we have this as root 36 minus root 20. So root 36 minus root 20, this is 6 minus, and here we have it as 2 root 5. And we should also recall that this shouldn't be the final answer, because here we have only this result, which is root 56 minus 24 root 5, which is 6 minus 2 root 5. Therefore, at this stage, we have only 6 minus 2 root 5. That one is also taking another root. So which means we still have to solve this to get the final solution. And trust me, if you apply this process I just take now, you are going to get the same the result of this. And when you try to do it, what we are going to get is root 5 minus 1, which is the result of this expansion. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to feel a nice trick of solving problem like this. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.